descent of 1,000 years in a single shift. Crystalline memory caught in a permanent drift. Jagged peaks hold the sky with a patient grip, watching the seconds like water from a fingertip. Ancient stillness in the marrow of the stone. Gravity moves in a rhythm of its own. Slow motion power in the blue and the white, holding the world through the shadow and the light. Holding the world through the shadow and the light. The thaw is a lesson in the price of the turn. Secrets in the silence that the seasons burn. A rhythmic surrender to a warmer breath, finding the life in the shadow of the dead. Perspective is heavy.